An extremely heated feud is going on currently on Twitter between WWE backstage interviewers Kathy Kelly and Jackie Redmond. For a long time now, Kathy Kelly has made it clear publicly that she is a big Rhea Ripley supporter. She is a good friend of Rhea Ripley in real life and occasionally posts pictures with her on social media. Jackie Redmond is a huge supporter of Rhea Ripley's biggest WWE rival Liv Morgan. The two female WWE interviewers finally clashed on social media on Twitter last night and kept hurling insults at each other for hours on end. It all started when a video of a recent interview with Jackie Redmond was posted on Twitter, in which Jackie said that she is on Team Liv Morgan. Jackie responded to the video and said, I said what I said, with the hashtag Team Liv. Kathy Kelly responded to Jackie Redmond's tweet with a backstage video in which Liv Morgan can be seen disrespecting her. Kathy then wrote, Girl, I don't think that respectfully was meant respectfully. I just trying to warn you. Jackie Redmond wasn't happy at all with Kathy Kelly's video. She responded to Kelly soon after. Jackie then shared a video from Crown Jewel 2024 in which Liv Morgan let her wear her Crown Jewel championship ring. She said in her tweet, I don't know, Kath, this looks pretty respectful and dare I say friendly to me. Rhea ever let you wear her jewelry or sigh? Liv is just misunderstood. Kathy Kelly wasn't one to hold back. She responded quickly to Jackie Redmond. Ah, yes, as they say, conditional respect is the highest form. Mommies let me wear and not wear a few things for her, but unlike this clip uploading, it would actually break the internet. So, Kathy Kelly in her tweet hinted that she has some photos of her and Rhea Ripley that might break the internet if they are out. Jackie Redmond then replied to Kathy Kelly, Haha, teasing the internet with sexual innuendos isn't really my style. You do you though. And this reply from Jackie Redmond didn't sit well with Kathy Kelly one bit. She was furious. And in her response to Jackie Redmond, she went too far. Sounds good to me. You stick to shaming women, approval seeking, and then we'll both be in our respective lanes. This is what Kathy Kelly wrote in her tweet to Jackie Redmond. And as expected, many fans couldn't believe that Kathy Kelly tweeted this. And at this point, a lot of fans felt that this wasn't some funny banter between two WWE stars, but was as real as it could get. Jackie Redmond then responded to Kathy Kelly. Oh, I see you now. Pretty sure it was me literal days ago saying publicly this was buried. That we were cool and that I respected your relationship with Rhea Ripley. Should have ended there and yet you came for me unprovoked again. I don't know. Seems pretty mean to me, Kathy. I am done. In the end, Kathy Kelly responded to Jackie Redmond with this tweet. Learning from the Live School of Accountability, I see. If I remember correctly, you misinterpreted a tweet, came for me, then apologized, then brought it up again. Me trying to warn you about someone's character isn't mean. But if I need to defend myself, and can be. And thus, this hours long Twitter feud between Jackie Redmond and Kathy Kelly finally came to an end. Personally, I think that initially Kathy Kelly and Jackie Redmond were just having some fun social media banter. But then things took a wild turn when Kathy Kelly accused Jackie Redmond of shaming women. And Jackie's response to that tweet hints that she wasn't happy with Kathy Kelly's words. What do you think? Was this some simple social media banter, or do these two women genuinely hate each other? Let me know in the comments below.